So hello everyone, good morning. Today we are just going to learn that what is a derivative, and with the help of that we'll find out the fractional error. Okay. So derivative means what? It is just to find out the change of a particular given function. Suppose I have given y equals to x square. Okay. In that case I have to find out the derivative. That means I have to find out the change of a y with respect to the change in x, right? That thing is defined as dy dx. Okay, it is not dy by dx, it is actually dy dx. You are finding out the change in y with respect to the change in x. So we have to find out the change in the function x square with respect to the change in this x. That means with respect to dx, I will find out the change. So I will take d dx of x square. Okay. So how to find out that? We don't know that how to calculate for this function. So for that we have a formula that d dx of x to the power of n, change in the function of x to the power n, that is equals to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So here is the given formula. With the help of that you can find out the derivative of a given function. Okay. So in this case I will write down d dx of x square. Here n is having the value of 2. So I will write down 2 into x to the power of 2 minus 1. So it is simply 2x. Okay, in this way we have find out the change. Now suppose if you are given a function which is a mixture of two variables. Here in the previous example we had only one variable, that is x. But if any function is given where two variables are present, how to find out that? So we need another formula. So let's take an example that r is equals to x into y, a simplest function where the two variables are present. One variable is x, another variable is y. So in this case, if I find out the change in both of the variables with respect to x, so what the expression I will get? I will differentiate on both of the sides. So I have to write down differentiating both side, differentiating both side with respect to x. What I will get? I will get d dx of r. So that means dr dx. This is equals to d dx of the function x into y, right? So there the two variables are present. How to find out the derivative? In this case, just remember one thing. Whenever two variables are in multiplied form, the formula should be first unchanged derivative of second plus second unchanged derivative of first. Okay. In this way we can write it down. Again I am repeating. Okay. Whenever you are finding out d dx of x into y, in that case x and y both are the variables. So I will use a formula first unchanged derivative of second plus second unchanged derivative of first. Okay. So let's try. And before proceeding to another example, in this case the final expression will be like that: dr dx, it is equals to x into dy dx plus y into dx upon dx. Now we are learning the fractional error, so we don't need this mathematical expression. Actually we need to find out dr upon r, that is the fractional error. So I'm just writing down this expression in the next page also. So it is what? That is dr dx. It is equals to x into dy dx plus y into dx upon dx. So in this case, if I multiply by dx on both of the sides, what I will get? After multiplying dx, obviously the dx will be eliminated and I will get dr is equals to x into dy plus of y into dx. So this is the expression of dr, right? The fractional change, you can say. We can write down this expression as a delta r. It can be written as this kind of dr, but I prefer this one. Okay, actually different authors have followed different notation, but this one is comfortable for every cases. Now if I find out the fractional error, then I have to divide this expression on both of the side with r. So I am dividing both of the sides with r. In the left hand side I don't have to substitute anything. I have got this dr upon r, but in the right hand side I will substitute the value of the r. So it should be x dy plus of y dx divided by of how much? X into y. Now I will divide by parts. That means x into dy divided by x into y plus of y into dx divided by x into y. So in this case x will be cancelled out and here y will be cancelled out. So how much you are getting? That is of dy upon y plus of dx upon x, and it is equals to dr upon r, right? आशा रखते हैं आप लोगों को समझ में आया। यहाँ तक समझने में अगर कोई भी दिक्कत या परेशानी होती है तो कृपा करके हमको इन्फॉर्म कीजिएगा। Now after that, actually we are going to learn a shortcut formula because this total derivation, अगर आप ये पूरा derivation करते हो, so you will get only 2 marks or 1 mark. Okay, so क्यों करेंगे इतना सारा? Why? Now, so that's why we are going to find out a shortcut formula, but I will give you some specific expression. In that case, we'll use that. Okay, because there is a pattern that we are following. शॉर्टकट ऐसे नहीं आता आसमान से, उसके लिए भी लॉजिक लगता है. So let's proceed. Now there are the two functions that I have taken as example, r equals to x square y, and the second one is r equals to x to the power minus 1 y to the power 4 multiplied by of z. Okay, so r is equals to x square y, right? This function is given, so obviously we have to differentiate on both of the side with respect to x. So let's do that. Differentiating both side with respect to can be written as a short form with respect to, and it is allowed in your exam. Okay, with respect to x. So in this case, if I differentiate, I will get dr dx, and it is equals to d dx of x square into y, right? Now what the formula that I should apply over here? That is, first unchanged derivative of second plus of second unchanged derivative of first. This is the formula. Simple है, आसान है. Now in the left hand side I should continue that function dr dx. Okay, now in the right hand side x square multiplied by of dy dx plus of y into, what is the derivative of x square? You have learned that the derivative of x square, that is of 2x, right? And here for your understanding we can write down y multiplied by of 2x, and it is multiplied by dx upon dx, right? We know that thing, that dx upon dx ये तो कट जाएगा and it is equals to 1. Simply अगर लिखते हैं dy upon dy, that is also equals to 1. Even dz upon dz, that is also equals to 1, right? But we need that, that's why I have to write. Okay, this is the proper procedure for this derivation. Whenever you will learn the shortcut, you don't need to do all this. Okay, now let me erase that total thing that I have written, then we'll continue that derivation. So in the left hand side it is equals to dr dx, and here I'm just getting this expression. Now what should I do? I should multiply dx on both of the sides. Then I will get dr, that is equals to x square into dy plus of 2xy into dx. This function we have obtained, right? Now finally what I have done, I have divided on both of the sides with the original expression of r. So I will divide on both of the sides with r. Okay. So in the left hand side I don't need to substitute the value of r, that is of x square into y. But in the right hand side I need that. So let's continue that. And in this slide I will write down the previous expression at first, that is of dr upon r, that is equals to x square multiplied by of dy plus of 2xy multiplied by of dx, and it is divided by the r. Okay. अक्सर क्या होता है ना कि जब हम लोग पेज को चेंज करते हैं, at that time there are some small error we have. That's why I have just written the previous expression. Now it should be dr upon r, it is equals to x square dy plus of 2xy into dx divided by, what was the value of r? Let's see. The value of r is x square y. Now I should substitute here, that is of x square into y. Now I should divide it by parts. Now it should be x square into dy divided by x square into y plus of 2xy into dx divided by x square into y, right? Now let's calculate, and in the left hand side portion it will be unchanged. So here x square is eliminated. In this case also y is eliminated and one of the x is cancelled out. So final expression I am obtaining, that is of dr upon r, it is equals to dy upon y plus of 2 into dx upon x. So this is the final expression to find out the fractional error. इतना पूरा कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपको 2 मार्क्स मिलेगा, राइट? सही है? बिल्कुल नहीं. We should apply the shortcut formula because they just need the answer. They don't need this total derivation. Okay? So just understand the logic. What the original expression do you have? The original expression, that was r equals to x square multiplied by of y. So in this case, what you can see, that dr upon r, it is equals to dy upon y plus of 2 into dx upon x. So we can say that the exponent of x is 2 here, right? So for the shortcut formula, we can write down that whatever the exponents will be present on the variables, they will come on the back side. So I will write down that expression as the dr upon r, that is equals to 2 will come in the back of the function and it will be 2 into dx upon x plus of, what is the exponent of y? It is not given, so obviously it is a value of 1. So I can write down it is dy upon y. That's simple. This is actually the shortcut formula. That means whenever any function is given to you, r is equals to x square into y, whatever the exponent will be present on the variables, that will come on the backside, and dr upon r, it is equals to 2 into dx upon x plus of dy upon y. Okay, is that clear? अगर आप लोगों को समझने में कोई भी दिक्कत आती है तो कृपया करके मुझे इन्फॉर्म कीजिएगा. Now let's proceed. Here we have another function, that r equals to x to the power minus 1 y to the power 4 multiplied by of z. I want to use the shortcut formula for this. Okay, so let's proceed. Let me just write it down in the new slide, then we'll do that. So r is equals to x to the power minus 1 y to the power 4 multiplied by of z, right? So whether I can write down the expression directly for the fractional error, that is, sorry, dr upon r, it can be used as -1. The exponent of x has come in the back and it is dx upon x plus of the exponent of y, that is equals to 4. So 4 will come here and it should be dy upon y plus of. Now z is having an exponent of 1, so we can say it should be only dz upon z. So within one line you can write down that expression. And again, if it is simplified, I can write down minus of dx upon x plus of 4 into dy upon y plus of dz upon z. Okay, and obviously it is equals to dr upon r. So whether this shortcut formula is clear, everyone, you have to say in the group. Thus I will understand that you have watched that video. Now, after that, let's see one of the question, thus you can understand the fractional error. So this is the question. The heat dissipated Q in a resistance R can be obtained by the measurement of resistance, current and time if the maximum errors in the measurement of these quantities are 2%, 1% and 1% respectively, then what is the maximum error in the measurement of dissipated heat? Now we know that Q is equals to I square RT divided by 4.2 calorie, and in joule I can write down that expression Q is equals to simply I square RT, right? Now for the case of resistance, what the error percentage is given here, that is of 2%. So you can say dr upon r multiplied by of 100, it is having a value of 2, or you can say that is of dr upon r, it is equals to 2%. Now for the case of current, that means di upon I, it is of 1%, and for the case of time, that is dt upon t, it is equals to 1%, right? So these things are already given to you. So in this case, what I will do, I will just use the shortcut formula and I can write down that expression, that this is dq upon q, it is equals to 2 into, because in this case the exponent of I is 2. So I will write down 2 into di upon I plus of r is having an exponent of 1. So it should be dr upon r plus of dt upon t. So in this case, I just have to substitute the values so I can find out the percentage error in this case. So to substitute the values in this case, so what I will get here, that is of 2 multiplied by of dr upon r is, di upon I is having the value of 1%, right? dr upon r is having the value of 2%, dt upon t is having the value of 1%. So how much I'm getting? The total error, that is of 5%, right? So we can say that dq upon q, it is having the value of 5%. So I hope you have understood that example, because in this case the fractional change, that means the errors are already provided in the question. The error in the case of resistance, that is of dr upon r, it is of 2%. The error in the case of measuring the current, that is di upon I, it is 1%, and in measuring the time the error is also 1%. So I have used the shortcut formula dq upon q equals to twice of di upon I plus of dr upon r plus of dt upon t. I have substituted the value and here I am getting the answer. Okay. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट होती है तो आप मुझे कृपया करके इन्फॉर्म कीजिएगा, सो द डाउट कैन बी क्लैरिफाइड। तो यहीं पर ये पूरा चैप्टर खत्म होता है। मिलते हैं अगले चैप्टर में। धन्यवाद।